So this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm working in my car, I'm organizing my car and cleaning it out and getting rid of things that I don't use. And I remembered that on one trip I had the idea of taking this little center console area and making a platform in here. You can see this edge right here and this edge right here. I thought about making a platform that could sit here so that I could have things underneath the platform and things on top of the platform. When you have a small space like this, you really need to make use of every little inch. At least I like to do that. And so that's what I'm going to work on today. I've got this Coroplast to work with. It is corrugated plastic. It's the kind of the stuff that yard signs are made out of. If this doesn't work, then I have some cardboard too that I'll use. But yeah, I'll just use some scissors to cut it up and try to fit it to shape, and then I might do another couple little things to it afterward. But first, let's cut the piece of Coroplast to shape. Oh man, these scissors are terrible. This thing will not be pretty, but hopefully it'll be functional. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming and just keep trimming away, and I'll show you the finalized result. Okay, I've got something in roughly the correct shape. It's acceptable. If it's in there nicely, I can put stuff on top of it. Works well. But I'm gonna make it a little bit nicer. I think I'm gonna go inside and use a ruler and an X-Acto knife to get it nice and square and get it looking better. And I might also add a piece of cord up here so that maybe I can just grab onto the piece of cord and pull it when I need to get access to the stuff that's underneath. So let me go do that and then I'll check back in. Okay, I made a much nicer one. Cut it to shape. Test fit. Yep, looks good. On the bottom there's some stuff that I don't use super often but that I like having. And then the platform, and we'll put some sunscreen, and some Tylenol, and eye drops, a little folding brush in there. Perfect! I can add a lot more stuff there too if I need to. And I don't think I'm going to bother adding a little pull tab here or anything, because it's easy enough to just lift up like that. So I think it's good the way it is. And that's it. That's my little modification. Hope that was at least mildly interesting, and maybe it'll give you an idea of what you can do in your car. And I hope that was helpful for someone out there, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Oh, one more thing. I wanted to mention that even if your center console cubby doesn't have these little lips that the thing can rest on, I think that just having the little shelf thing rest on top of the items underneath would also work just fine.